Topic number 6 for our module 5 is Wallis formula. So the previous example in the change of limit corresponds to change in variable na topic natin could have been solved very neatly by the use of the following formula called the Wallis formula. So the Wallis formula says here that if we have the integral of the limit 0 to pi over 2 sine to the m of x cosine n x dx is just equal to the product of m minus 1. Si m dito is the exponent of the sine, so that's m minus 1 times m minus 3 times m minus 5 times n minus 7 hanggang sa makarating ka ng 2 na lang or 1 yung answer mo doon pag nag-minus ka. And for this, we have here our exponent for the cosine, so n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5, n minus 7 hanggang sa makarating ka ng 2 or 1 na lang yung sagot natin. And for the denominator, and we have here starting with the sum of the exponent m plus n, and we have m plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, hanggang sa makarating ka na lang sa 2 or 1 and multiply with the alpha. And what is the value of the alpha? Alpha here is equal to 1 if either 1 or both are odd. And alpha is equal to pi over 2 if m and n are both even. So we have here the a times b over c. Sino si a? No? So ito yung a natin, ito yung b, and yung c natin, ito yung denominator. And to be multiplied by the alpha. So let's have an example for this. So example number 1, we have to evaluate the integral of the quantity a to the 2/3 minus x to the 2/3 raised to 3/2 dx limit from 0 to a. And kung babalikan ninyo yung previous na topic natin, and this is the same na example, wherein we applied the change of limit corresponding to change in variable, and hindi ko na ulit siya ipakita. Balikan nyo na lang yung previous na video kung na-miss nyo siya. So this is equal to 3a squared integral from 0 to pi over 2 of sine squared of theta cosine to the 4th of theta d theta. So by Wallis formula, we have this exponent of the sine here is m and the exponent of cosine is n. So meaning m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 4. The integral from 0 to a of a to the 2/3 minus x to the 2/3 raised to 3/2 dx is just equal to this. So we have the constant 3a squared multiplied by, so apply natin yung Wallis formula. So anong sabi ng Wallis formula? So we have here m, di ba? M minus 1, m minus 3, m minus 5 hanggang sa maging 2 or 1 na lang. No? So yung m natin is 2. So that's 2 minus 1. Since 1 na siya, so stop na tayo doon. For the n, so that's n minus 1. So that's 4 minus 1. 3 pa siya. So hindi pa, tuloy pa tayo. We have 4 minus 3. So since 1 na siya, so stop na tayo doon. If hindi pa natin narating yung 2 or 1, so tuloy-tuloy pa to. Minus 5, minus 7. So magma-minus lang tayo ng mga odd numbers. And for the denominator, we have here the sum. So that's 2 plus 4. And 2 plus 4, magma-minus naman tayo ng mga even numbers. So that's minus 2, minus 4, so on and so forth until marating natin yung sagot na 2 or 1. So we have here minus 2. So 4 pa yung sagot natin dyan. Tuloy pa tayo. Times 2 plus 4 minus 4. So since 2 na tayo dyan, so stop na tayo. Multiply by the alpha. So since m and n are both even, so meaning the alpha is pi over 2. So this is equal to pi over 2. So we have here 3a squared multiplied by 2 minus 1 is 1. and 4 minus 1 here is 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1, over, this is 6 times 4 times 2, multiplied by pi over 2. So we have here the 3 and 6, so that's 2, and this is equal to 3a squared multiplied by pi over 2 times 4 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So we have here over 32. And this answer is just the same with our previous problem. So, maiksi lang siya. Sana all Wallis na lang, diba?